Class 8. Good morning everybody. Today our subject general knowledge and our chapter 12 soldiers of fortune. Identify these famous freedom fighters and name them with the help of clues given in the help box. Number 1. At the page of, at the age At the age of 19, he became a martyr with Bande Mataram on his lips. He was one of those brave men who challenged the British rule. Answer: Khudiram Bose. Answer: Khudiram Bose. Next, he was the Cuban communist revolutionary and politician who took part in the Cuban Revolution from 1953 to 1959. He decided to fight for the overthrow of Fulgencio Batista military junta by founding paramilitary organization the movement. Answer: Fidel Castro. Answer: Fidel Castro. Next, he was appointed as South Africa's first drug president. He got the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to disassemble the nation racial work. Answer: Nelson Mandela. Answer: Nelson Mandela. Next, he was best known for improving civil rights by using civil disobedience. He worked hard to make people understand that not only blacks but all races should always be treated equally to white people. Answer: Martin Luther King Jr. Number 5. He is a Tibetan symbol, the sign of not only their religion but of their struggle against Chinese occupation. Through peaceful protest, he has been involved in the battle of Tibetan independence since the Chinese invasion in 1949. Answer: Dalai Lama. Answer: Dalai Lama. Next, his name was synonymous with sacrifice, courage, bravery, and vision. To warn the British government of its misdeeds, he threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly. Answer: Bhagat Singh. Answer: Bhagat Singh. Our next chapter 13, Lost Spaces. Lost Spaces. First, it is a legendary city now in northwestern Turkey, made famous in Homer's epic poem, the Iliad. According to Iliad, this is where the Trojan War took place. The archaeological site of city contains several ruins of ruins. Answer: Troy. Answer: Troy. Next, founded around 3100 before Christ, it is the legendary city of Mens, the king who united Upper and Lower Egypt. Early on, it was more like a fortress from which men controlled the land and water routes between Upper Egypt and the Delta. Answer: Memphis. Answer: Memphis. Next, located in the Sub Valley in Peru, it is one of the most ancient lost cities of the world. It has a central public area with 6 large platform mounds arranged around the huge plaza. Answer: Carroll. Answer: Carroll. Next, an ancient empire, Mesopotamia. It was a city on the Euphrates River. Its brilliant color and luxurious became legendary from the days of who is created for building the legendary hanging garden. Babylon. Answer Babylon. Next, this city was annexed by the Persian king Darius the Great in the 518 before Christ. In 326 before Christ, the city was surrounded. The Alexander the Great ruled by the succession of conquistadors. The city became an important Buddhist center. It was destroyed by Huns in the 5th century. Answer Taxila. Answer Taxila. Okay, thanks.